As consideration for being permitted by Snap Inc. and/or any of its affiliated entities to enter Snap's premises, I agree, on behalf of myself and my company, to the following. Snap may disclose, and you may obtain or otherwise be exposed to certain information under this agreement Snap considers confidential and/or proprietary concerning its business and/or technology, confidential information, including, but not limited to all tangible, intangible, visual, electronic, present, or future information such as a. Trade secrets, b. Financial information, c. Technical information, including research, development, procedures, algorithms, data, designs, and know-how, d. Business information, including operations, planning, marketing plans, products and services, e. The terms of any agreement and the discussions, negotiations and proposals related to any agreement, and f. Information observed or acquired during any facilities tours. In consideration of being admitted to Snap's premises, I agree to hold in the strictest confidence any confidential information I obtain. I will not use any confidential information other than in direct furtherance of a business relationship with Snap. This agreement does not grant any license to the confidential information. I will not remove any document, equipment or other materials from the premises. I will not photograph, copy or otherwise record any information to which I may have access during my visit. This agreement imposes no obligation on Snap to provide confidential information, to proceed with any business opportunity, or to purchase, sell, license, transfer or otherwise make use of any technology, services or products. Unless Snap enters into a separate mutual non-disclosure agreement, Snap does not wish to receive any confidential information from me or my company, and Snap assumes no obligation, either express or implied, for any information disclosed by me. This agreement shall remain in effect until such time as all confidential information of Snap disclosed hereunder becomes publicly known and made generally available through no action or inaction of me or my company. This agreement is binding on me, my company, my heirs, executors, administrators and assigns and inures to the benefit of Snap, its successors and assigns. I, on behalf of myself and my heirs, assigns, and representatives, unconditionally and irrevocably waive, release, and promise not to sue Snap and landowners, lessors of the premises, and each of their respective officers, directors, shareholders, employees, agents, and representatives, collectively, the released parties, from any and all liability, claims, suits, or demands of any kind whatsoever, collectively, claims. To the fullest extent permitted by law, including any claims arising out of relating to any and all injury, disability, death, or loss or damage to person or property associated with my presence on Snap's premises, whether arising from the negligence of the released parties or otherwise. I understand that, unless I have been engaged by Snap as an employee or independent contractor, I am being granted access to Snap's premises solely as a visitor and not because I am being employed in any way by Snap, and I understand that Snap has not, and will not, obtain any insurance coverage on my behalf. Except to the extent I, or my company, and Snap have a valid mutual non-disclosure agreement. This agreement constitutes the entire understanding between Snap and me with respect to its subject matter and supersedes all earlier representations and understandings, whether oral or written. This agreement shall be governed by the laws of the State of California, without reference to conflict of laws principles. The venue for any dispute relating to this agreement shall be in the state or federal courts within Los Angeles County, California. Notwithstanding the foregoing, because breach of this agreement may result in irreparable harm to Snap, I agree that in addition to any other remedies available to it, Snap may apply to a court of competent jurisdiction to enjoin violation, actual or threatened, of any provision of this agreement.